Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial, we're going to dive into the world of the Peri Peri Burger, a culinary masterpiece that has taken the world by storm. So join me and let's get started in how I make my homemade Peri Peri burgers. Okay, so moving on to the ingredients, we need 1 red onion. I'm just going to peel that and chop it into 4 pieces. We then need 5 sweet peppers. Again, I'm just going to chop them up into small pieces. You need 1 red bell pepper, and again, I'm just going to chop them up into small pieces and then add into the food processor. Now these are all chopped up, what I'm going to do is add it all into the food processor. I'm going to add in some lemon juice. Some oil. Two teaspoons of salt, one and a half teaspoons of mixed herbs, half teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, I'm going to add in some vinegar, a half teaspoon of garlic paste. Once this is combined all together, we're just going to take this out into a dish. So I've added about 5 to 6 pieces of chicken thigh into here so that can marinate well, and I've also added a 1/4 teaspoon of red food colour. I'm going to give that a good mix and let that marinate for about 2 hours. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours since we've let that marinate. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add in the chicken thigh pieces into the air fryer. Wow, look at that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cook this in the air fryer on 180 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm then going to turn them over and cook it for another 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to check in on how the chicken's cooking. Wow, look at that. That smells absolutely amazing. I'm now going to slice the buns in half and then just heat them on the frying pan. Now let's get started in making the burger. So I'm going to add in some chili mayo and some tomato ketchup. Add lettuce, some red onions that I've sliced up, some cucumbers, and tomatoes. I'm now going to add in the chicken thigh pieces onto the burger buns. I'm going to add in a sliced cheese and just a bit more chili mayo. And there we have it, my homemade peri peri burger. This is a must-try recipe for anyone who loves unique and flavourful dishes with its combination of sweet, tangy and savoury flavours. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel so you can stay tuned with my upcoming recipes.